What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In this new YouTube video I am going to show you how to fix the white space issue in your WordPress website. So sometimes when you scroll left and right, especially on the mobile phone version of your website, you see a white space. By using the code that I'm gonna put in the description below this video, you're gonna fix this problem, hopefully. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is click appearance and then customize. After that, I am going to scroll down and click additional CSS. And as you guys can see here, this is the code that I used to fix my problem that I had in the mobile version of my website, which is the white space. So right now, when I scroll left and right, I see no white space, and that's good. I hope this code will work for you. If it didn't, you could email us or just comment below this video, and I'm gonna try to help you. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials that will help you. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe, and thank you guys so much. Bye.